Hey everyone, welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is
immense.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Immense is extremely large or great. The synonyms are massive and enormous. The antonyms are tiny and small.
But wait! Here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Gigantic, huge, tremendous.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Mini, minor, petite.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? The elephant sneeze was so immense, it blew all the leaves off the trees and gave the forest a new hairstyle. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
The elephant at the zoo looked immense next to the other animals, making everyone gasp in awe.
Let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.